Hey guys, I'm Milan with 2Pro Beats and welcome to my studio life. Today I have a different video. It's not a tutorial, it's an unboxing, and I want to show you what's happening in my studio. I've ordered some new gear and I want to show you the process of changing things around in the studio. As you can see, two things changed in the studio. The platform M and the console one is missing because I have moved them. I have removed the Behringer speaker, and I have this to unbox. The studio is a mess. Everything is dusty, cables all over the place. I was waiting for the new gear to arrange everything, to put everything in order. There are a few things that bothers me. For example, the cable management. It's inexistent at this point, and maybe in the next few days I will be taking care of that too. Let's unbox things and let's order things. Lauf durch die Straßen und keiner, der nicht auf die Tats guckt, ey. $40 USB, es raubt in mein Verstand. Heute Studio und mische alles vor aus eigener Hand. These things are heavy. Here I have a pair of Yamaha S7. I wanted to add something with more bass than my Neumanns. With a 6.5 inch woofers. Now let's unwrap them. Alles zurück, denn die Tage fahren nicht leicht. Sie fahren nicht leicht. Taylor about the fucking flex. Jeder redet, aber keiner weiß. Ey, 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 ey. Jeder denkt, er kennt uns, aber keiner weiß. I went with the white because I wanted a bit of contrast. I have a few concerns about the speakers. I'm concerned that they have the bass port in the back and they will be pretty close to the wall, but I don't know if that's a problem because I will use them as a reference speakers. I will not mix continuously on them. The Neumann will remain my main speakers. I just want to hear what's happening in the low frequencies because I'm missing bass on the Neumanns. Let's unbox the other things that I have and start to order the rest of the things. I have assembled the stands. I think they look pretty decent. They're metal. These parts here are plastic. They will go something like this on the table. It's a pretty neat solution because I want the Yamahas to be on the original stands and the Neumanns to be on these ones. And this is my improvised softbox. I have one more piece except the cables. I will not do an unboxing on the cables. So in the last box, it's a pair of IsoAcoustics. I got them for the Neumanns. I really don't like the foam thing. I was looking at this for a long time. I finally decided to pull the trigger and they will sit on the metal stands. I can try and make a review for them. Just leave a comment and I will try and make the review. They're bigger than I thought, and I think that for the Neumanns you can get the smaller ones. Okay, so I've managed to assemble the stands. This is how they look. I think they look pretty cool. The studio is a mess, even bigger mess now. Took off all of these boxes. Now the next step is to remove the Neumanns, to take the stands out, maybe take the monitor out. A lot of work. See you in a bit. I'm telling you guys, it's not pretty. So, quick update. I have removed the old stands, big cable mess, table stands in place, but I have an issue. As you can see, they have like a soft sponge. The IsoAcoustic will not be perfect on it, so I decided to change the plates, the top. I can't wait to have everything in place. A few hours later, quick update. These stands, they feel solid in your hand, but I feel that the grip on my table is not good enough. I don't trust them with my Neumanns. So I decided to try out just the IsoAcoustic stands. They are a bit wobbly. My issue is that I have to go every day around them to power them on, but I think this is the best solution, even if they wobble a fair bit. Earlier I had the Yamahas under the Neumanns and the IsoAcoustic with just the small tube. They look nice, but I don't want to use the Yamahas as a stand for the Neumanns. I will include a photo of how that looked, but I have all the time in the world to test things out. For now, this is how I will keep the Neumanns. I will try and do the cable management now, and after that I want to put the LED back on, and this time I think I will put it under the table, not on the acoustic panels. A lot of work. 6 o'clock here in Romania. I managed to stick the LED strip to the table. The table is full of sticky things. Let me show you how it looks with the light closed. I think it looks pretty nice. That's a major victory for me. Whew. Now back to work. The room is still messy. I've managed to install the Yamahas. The position is not perfect. The angle is too wide, but for referencing I think it's pretty okay. The setup is looking very nice. Another upgrade that I did that I forgot to mention is that I've ditched my triple monitor setup and I got ultra wide screen, 34-inch LG, the cheapest one. It's pretty decent. I have to clean all this mess, and I will get back to you with the final setup finally. Taylor about the fucking flex.
Jeder redet, aber keiner weiß. Ey, 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 ey. Jeder denkt, kennt uns, aber keiner weiß. Ey.
Just a huge thank you to all of you guys. If you have any questions, leave a comment. I hope you enjoyed this video. Take a shower and probably watch a movie. Thanks again. See you guys next time. Cheers.